Hello student, today we will do question number B of question number 1 from the exercise test yourself from chapter 2 Concise Mathematics class 10. So without further ado, let's get started. See, question is rupees 50 per month is deposited for 20 months in a recurring deposit account. If the rate of interest is 10%, the maturity value is here. P is given. P is equal to rupees 50. N is equal to 20. R is equal to 10%. We have to find maturity value. So formula for maturity value is P into N plus P into N plus 1 divided by 2 into 12 into R by 100. We will put value P is equal to 50, N is equal to 20, 50 into 20 into 21 divided by 2 into 12 into R. R is equal to 10%. This will be 1000 plus this will become 2 to 10 is 7 3 4 to 5 to 2 to 5 means 5 7 35 by 2. It will solve this 1000 plus with 50. So answer will be 1087.50. This is the answer. So correct option will be this. I hope you must have understood this solution today up to here. We will meet in the next session with the next question. Till then, take care. Thanks.